Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So 2 videos ago I mentioned that for the last 30 days I've been doing the 10-step Korean skincare night routine. Would you guys want to see a video on the things that I use? You guys said yes. Someone mentioned in that video how I think some people stick a little too hard on the whole 10-step thing, like you're not doing 10 steps every single night. If anything, it's also giving you a guide on how to layer your skincare products so they're the most effective for your skin. So I feel like when all of this started with, COVID-19 and all that stuff, I fell off of my skincare routine because there was just a lot going on. And a little while ago, I was like, you know what? I want to get back into caring about my skin. And I've always seen people talking about the method of 10 steps. So I looked it up. I came across, I believe they're also a brand that sells their own products. They're called So Glam. They had a whole layout and explanation on what the 10 steps are, the best things for them. So I'll have little things popping up on the screen as the video goes on, but I'm just going to quickly show you guys the 10 things that I use. This is what you would really call a I woke up like this type of face. I haven't done anything to my face because I was like, what's the point of washing my face just to wash it again 10 minutes later on camera? So let's go. So if you guys have ever heard of a double cleansing, I know I've heard of it, but again, I just started doing it when I started doing these 10 steps. Oh, also, I'm not sure if it's coming across like I'm saying I use 10 steps of Korean skincare products. I use products that they said you should use in this order. I don't even know if some of them are, considered K-beauty type things, but I'm letting you know the products that I use in each step, if that makes sense. So for double cleansing, the first step is oil cleanser, and for that I use the Dermalogica pre-cleanse. I was a little, weary about that because I have oily skin, and oil cleansers or oil-based anything either really likes me or it really doesn't like me. But for the last 30 days this has liked me, so this is what I use. And I'm just going to rub all across my face. I hate how this feels though, I have to admit that. I just realized I was looking at the viewfinder the entire intro of the video, but the other part of the double cleansing is a water-based cleanser. This is from Curology. I'm sure you guys have heard of it from YouTube and or Instagram. I believe how it works is when you sign up with them, they put you in contact with someone who's going to analyze your skin and then create a system for you. They sent me this cleanser in a PR package, and I don't believe this is part of that system type thing. I think this is just if you went to the store and bought a cleanser, their own brand of cleanser. It says, we believe in simple, just clean without clogging. And the water-based cleanser is just going to pick up whatever the oil cleanser did not on your face. So I just go ahead and follow up with this. This is the second sample that they sent me, so it's let me stop playing. Go ahead and get the full size because I like the mini. You guys know with cleanser, at least give her a good 30 seconds all over. If I said 30 seconds, I meant 60. But the next step is to exfoliate. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like trying exfoliating products. And that's what I was saying about you don't do 10 steps every day because you certainly don't exfoliate every day if you value your skin. This is from Paula's Choice. It's their Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Just gonna take that on a pad and quickly go over my face. This I use 2 times. Well, this says once or twice daily. Not doing that. But I use it 2 to 3 times. If my skin's going through a little bit, might throw that 3rd day in there. And then comes toner. It's the same one that I've shown you guys in the last few, I think, skincare videos that I've done. It's either this or the Rose Tonic from PIXI, but this is from Farmhouse Fresh. It's their vitamin berry, aronia berry, and rose water. So just like the exfoliator, go over my face with a little pad and move on. Next is Essence. I feel like, again, you should already know this is from Fresh. It's their Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. I've also used the Tatcha one. It's either going to be one of those two that I end up using, but I feel like I'm going to keep going back to this one. I've already put a good dent in this one as well. The essences, you know, like just add a little hydration to your face, also help all the other things that you're going to put on after it penetrate into your skin, and the same way that you put the exfoliator toner on as well. Next up is the treatment section. This is when you would throw in your masks, serums. Lately I haven't been using any masks because my skin's been doing very well, so you know I haven't felt the need. I mean, you could always do like a hydration mask or anything like that, but there's something else that I use for that, so it's like there's really no point. So this is just where I would go in with serums. The one I've been using is also from Paula's Choice, is their Boost Peptide Booster. Let me tell you, this has been doing things for me. Okay, doing things. Paula's Choice, we're here. I don't know why it took me until mid last year to get into Paula's Choice, but I've been missing out, and you've probably been missing out too. And a second treatment I use is from Roche-Posay. It is their Effaclar, let's just call it an acne treatment, once daily topical retinoid. I don't think I've mastered which one I'm supposed to use first, this or the peptide, or if I should be using them at the same time. But I have, so I'm keep doing it until someone in the comments tells me don't do that. So let's put this on. So the next step is a sheet mask. I bought these from PIXI. I don't remember how many you get, but I mean, it's PIXI, so it's affordable and you get a lot of them. It is their PLUMP Collagen Boost Peptide, Botanical Collagen, Omega Oils, Youthful Infusion Skin Mask, and I think it was on for 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. The only thing I don't like about sheet mask is that you guys know my eyebrows are microbladed, so you have to be careful what type of products you put on your face, because that can play into how long the ink lasts in your face, because you know they're not permanent. Your microbladed brows are only semi-permanent, and for the price that you be paying for semi-permanent brows, you want it to last as long as it possibly can. So I always rip the mask so that it hangs a little over my brows, because you know, can't be throwing money away out here. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, we are almost done. Next up is an eye treatment. This is from KIEHL'S. It's their creamy eye treatment with avocado. And I'm just going to smooth that out. Make sure you're not tugging on your under eye, or just being harsh in general. Next up is moisturizer. It's from Lancome. I won't lie to y'all, I think I mention this like every time I show this, just so you're aware. If you do look it up, it is their Absolue Cream Fondant Soft Cream. She expensive, but she's worth it to me. It's worth repurchasing to me, but I'm letting y'all know ahead of time, just so you know, like you don't click the link and then see it and you're like. And then you're gonna seal everything off with a sunscreen. This is also from Roche-Posay. It is their Anthelios Clear Skin Dry Touch Sunscreen. You know, I know a lot of people have their own battles of whether or not they're gonna put sunscreen on. We wear it in this household, okay? Okay. And that is it for my 10-step routine. I know I'm all in your face right now, but I figured I'd give you guys like a close-up of what my skin's working with. So those are the 10 things that I used. It took forever because I'm stopping to film this whole thing, but on a good day, it's like 30 minutes tops. It's really not that tedious to me, and it's been working. You know, I feel like without makeup, I like how my skin's looking. I feel with makeup, it applies better nowadays since I started doing this. And I tell you guys all the time, like, you know when things start working, when people who are watching you start noticing. Like, I've been getting comments on my last few videos in the last month saying, you know, like, something looks different, you look in a good way. And yeah, I feel like my makeup is applying better on my skin because, you know, I have gotten so intense with everything that I'm doing to it. But if your simple routine works for you, then no one's telling you that you have to change it, okay? We really don't have to have a debate in the comments down below. So those are the 10 things that I use on my face. Let me know if you do this as well, what 10 things you use. Or if you just use any of these products in general, how it works out for you. All of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!